Hi, my name is Marco Varvello. I'm a musician and teacher with more than 10 years of professional experience of teaching, playing, and composing. I'm here to talk to you about Learn Music from Home, my project of online music lessons that will be individual and tailored on each student's needs. With piano, contemporary music, whether the student is a beginner or a classically trained musician, we will focus on a practical approach that works for almost every contemporary music style. Pop, rock, soul, world music, it doesn't require one to have a great technique to play most of the music we hear. During the lessons, we will address several key topics like rhythm, melody, functional harmony, chords, improvisation. Each of them step by step, starting from your favorite music and with the help of educational material and summaries, so that it'll be easier to connect with these concepts. Also, the entire lessons will be recorded and downloadable, so nothing will be lost. I'm waiting for you, so see you soon and register for a free test lesson.